How to double space in Google Docs on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Docs application on your phone. You can view all your Docs files over here. Open any file from here. Hold and select the paragraph you want to edit. And then go to the top right corner and tap on the text format icon. From here, you can change the format of the text or paragraph, such as the style, font, size, text color, line spacing and more. Go to the paragraph section. Then go to line spacing below and tap on the upwards arrow to increase the line spacing to 2.0, which means double. As you can see, the spacing between each line of the paragraph has doubled. Following these steps, you can easily double space in Google Docs on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.